Hey, welcome to Paddle and Hike. After many years, I'm back to Locas Island. Let's go and check it out. And there's free parking lot on both sides of the road. This hike will be muddy. It's on the Thousand Island River, so I can expect that. A beaver dam. This hike is not far from Montreal. It's located in Laval. It's a very short one. It's free, and there's a free parking lot too. So you can come here to, hike. You can go fishing, kayaking. There's a lot of things you can do here. They made little benches like this so you can sit if you want to and enjoy the view. Today is a mix of mud, snow, and dirt. So there's many trails like this. Some go near the water, some go into the islands. Today's a sunny day, but it's not super warm. It's around -2 degrees Celsius. We used to be able to go this way, but they blocked it to help nature get back on track. Someone made a fire here. I know that I've been gone for a while. I was sick, I had family issues, work issues, and my car broke down. Literally, motor exploded. So I had to get a new one. So that's all the reasons that I was not there. And the weather was pretty bad. It was really cold here, and this winter was not good. So took a break. I'm back. I have a lot of plans for this summer. I want to go car camping, hiking a lot. I have a lot of mountains to do. I have to finish the New England 115, which includes some in Maine and some in New Hampshire. I have some videos of me fishing here. Usually there's a beach here, but you can't go to this island because around here it's super deep. But it's perfect for fishing. You can, have a lunch here. It's a beach. And this island is known for its famous tree. the glove tree. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to click on this one. See you soon.